If we truly care about sustainable growth within the county, improving the affordability of housing for current and future residents, and reducing our greenhouse gas emissions, we need to look at recommendations that come from scientific bodies on what needs to be done. We need to build more density in housing around public transit. We need to improve the walkability of our neighborhoods and people's access to amenities, services, and green spaces. And we need to provide people with transportation choices beyond an over-reliance on automobiles.
I'm chronically ill. I spend a whole rent payment worth of income on out-of-pocket healthcare costs. My partner and I are struggling. She's on minimum wage. It's very difficult. I'm spending a lot of money living in a luxury loft to be able to access the walkable community that I rely on for my independence.
We want people to come here to build lives and careers and families, to take part in our prosperity and make it even better. 50 years ago, the general plan laid out a vision for doing just that, but it also locked into place a pattern of exclusion and sprawl. And today we're seeing the consequences: segregated schools and neighborhoods, growing commutes, stagnant incomes, and a chronic housing shortage leading to skyrocketing prices.
Whether it be a student from Quince Orchard High School attributing her support to public transportation improvements, or a student from Thomas S. Wooden High School attributing her support to the formation of equitable growth opportunities, there are many different reasons why current students, those impacted most by this framework across the county, support Thrive Montgomery 2050's passing.
I've heard people criticize Thrive as one size fits all. I think it's the exact opposite. Too much of the county currently is restricted to the one size of single family housing. And that one size doesn't even fit all the people who want to live in this county.
As the noted urbanist Phil Penalosa says, the cost of doing nothing is not nothing. If we do not adopt this new approach to developing our county, the consequences are likely to be economic underperformance, growing inequities, and more environmental decline.